Welcome to Healthy Lifestyle. Today I am going to show you a recipe of Panjiri. Panjiri is a traditional dish in the most of Asian countries, which consists of semolina and dry fruits. These dry fruits are rich in vitamins and proteins that boost up immunity and prevent diseases. Panjiri is an excellent and healthy substitute for daily snacks. Now let's look at ingredients first. Take a fry pan and add few slices of butter in it. We will use 200 grams of butter for frying the dry fruits. Now add almonds in the butter and fry it for few seconds. Then add cashew nuts in it. Add peanuts in it and fry them for few seconds. Broil them at low heat. A very nice aroma will start to spread, and it is because of natural oil that these dry fruit contains. Fry them till they get light golden. Now take the fried dry fruit out from the frying pan into bowl. Now I will fry walnuts in the butter and will take out in the same bowl. Now I will add gum arabic in the butter. It looks like crystals, and as soon as it starts to fry, it changes its color into white fluffy material. Gum arabic heals wounds, promotes oral health, reduces body fats, and restricts blood loss. It also soothes cough and sore throats. Next, add raisins in butter. They will swell and get soft after some time. Raisins aid digestion, boost iron levels, and keep your bones strong. After they get fluffy, take them out in a separate bowl. Now we will fry melon seeds in the butter. Fry them till they get little golden. Take 500 grams of butter in another fry pan. Add 1 kg of semolina and broil it well. Now add raisins in it. Add cardamom powder in it and mix it well. Now leave the semolina and let it cool down for a certain time period. Now add the fried dried fruits in the chopper and chop them. Make sure to keep them a bit granular, like shown in the video. As the semolina is cooled down to room temperature, so we will add desiccated coconut and sliced coconut in it. After adding grind sugar, we will mix it well. I have taken 800 grams of sugar. Now add granule dried fruits in it and mix it well. Here is the final look. You can eat it with hot milk, it will build your immunity. You can also eat it as your snacks. Do not keep it at very hot places. Make sure to preserve it in airtight jars to use it for longer time period. Like, share and comment down below to express your thoughts. Hit on the subscription and bell button so that you can get notifications of my upcoming videos.